5 scientific facts in the Quran that have been proven recently. 1. The meeting of 2 seas that do not mix, in Surah Ar-Rahman 55:19-20. The Quran mentions the phenomenon of 2 seas meeting but not mixing. Between them is a barrier which they do not transgress. This phenomenon is known as halocline, where differences in salinity and density prevent 2 bodies of water from mixing. Oceanographic research has confirmed this at locations such as the Gulf of Mexico and the Strait of Gibraltar. The barrier, also called a pycnocline, keeps the 2 water bodies distinct, aligning with the Quranic description. 2. Pharaoh's preserved body in Surah Yunus 10:92. The Quran states that Pharaoh's body would be preserved as a sign for future generations. So today, we shall save your body, so that you may be a sign for those who come after you. The mummy of Pharaoh Ramses II was discovered in the 19th century and examined by French forensic scientist Dr. Maurice Bucaille. Studies revealed that the mummy contained traces of seawater, suggesting that he drowned before being embalmed. This aligns with the Quranic statement that his body would be preserved as a lesson for future generations. 3. The uniqueness of fingerprints. In Surah Al-Qiyamah 75:4, the Quran highlights the uniqueness of human fingers. Indeed, we are able to proportion his fingertips precisely. Modern forensic science has proven that every individual has unique fingerprints, even identical twins. This discovery, first documented by Sir Francis Galton in the 19th century, is now widely used in biometric identification and criminal investigations. The Quran mentioned this fact over 1,400 years ago, long before science confirmed it. Everything is created in pairs. In Surah Ad-Dariyat 51:49, the Quran states, "And we created everything in pairs so that you may reflect." This concept applies to both living beings and physics. Scientists have discovered that subatomic particles have antiparticles, forming the concept of matter and antimatter. Additionally, many plants reproduce through male and female counterparts, and human genetics operates on paired chromosomes, XX for females, XY for males. The process of rain formation. In Surah Ar-Rum 30:48, the Quran describes the stages of rain formation. It is Allah who sends the winds, so they raise the clouds. Then He spreads them in the sky as He wills and breaks them into fragments. Then you see the rain come out from their midst. Meteorology confirms that rain forms in 3 main stages. 1. Evaporation and transport of water. Vapor. Water evaporates from oceans, rivers, and lakes into the atmosphere. 2. Cloud formation. Winds carry the vapor upwards, where it condenses into clouds. 3. Rainfall. When the clouds become heavy with condensed droplets, rain falls to the earth. This process, confirmed by modern science, was detailed in the Quran centuries before scientific discoveries explained it. These scientific facts in the Quran align with modern discoveries, despite being revealed over 1,400 years ago. This demonstrates the extraordinary nature of the Quran in providing knowledge that was ahead of its time. Let me know if you need further clarifications or additions.